Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's a big day. It's a big day because it's the day we're starting our first mod. Actually, we already started a mod. We tinted the windows, so fishbowl delete is in full effect. But we're doing our first mod, real mod, and we're going to Dirty Diesels. And I got a crazy woman that's trying to run me over. Today's a big day. We're doing our first real mod to Beast Reloaded.
Beast Reloaded.
You excited? You pumped?
I already have some. I have some merch ideas.
Okay. All right. Well, actions speak louder than words. Yeah, we gotta work. We gotta work on the website.
I know.
We gotta do some new designs. We're thinking of some stuff. I put the missus in charge of it, so you guys hold her accountable. You comment below and get on her about it.
Give me some ideas if you have any that aren't copyrighted.
There you go. I like it.
I'll make one for you.
What do you got there? Your Pro Clip USA mount?
That's exactly what I have.
But I gotta get over to Josh because, well, some things are changing already. Things are changing already and might go up a little bit too. Yes, we have to go up a little bit for other things. A little bit, not 6 inches, not 4 inches. Love you. Love you.
Steven.
What?
Don't go overboard.
Love you.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Love you.
Oh, I can go to Target? All right, thanks. Bye.
You always go to Target. You don't even ask. You just go. All right, I'll see you at Dirty Diesels. It feels so good to be back out at Dirty Diesels. New wheels. That's right, guys, new wheels. Not a lift today, because I was hinting to the wife that the truck's going to be going up at some point. I didn't say how high it was going up. We can go baller.
Oh, what?
We can go baller mode.
You are? Yeah.
So Josh, tell them about the wheels.
So we're doing 2012 TIS 544s with the machine face, black lip. It's a sharp looking wheel. These are a super popular wheel this year. I mean, we've been doing a lot of TIS. They look really nice and you can't really beat them for the price. It's just a solid wheel. Like, I think the designs they have going are some of the best in like the cast wheel market right now, so we like them a lot.
And then the tires, these are new tires.
Yeah, they're the Toyo AT3s, so it's the new version of the pretty popular Toyo AT2. They're supposed to be a little quieter and do better in the snow, a little bit better tread wear, I think. From what I've heard and seen, they just kind of improved them a little bit. I personally think they look a lot better.
I haven't had Toyos in quite some time, so I'm curious to see how they wear and how they handle.
Yeah, they're a nice looking. It's a sweet all-terrain, honestly.
Yeah, it reminds me a lot of the Nitto Terragraphlers.
It's definitely a bit more like geeky looking than a Terragrapher, though.
Yeah, I agree. 100% on that.
I've had a few sets of them. They do. I always thought they did really well in the snow.
If you,
I think the AT3s. I'm pretty sure the AT3s have like that 3-peak snowflake rating or whatever for like snow performance.
Oh, that's a good.
Which
thing.
before that, I think only like a couple of all-trains had. Like I think it was like the BFGs and the Falcons. So it's supposed to be a great tire.
especially around here.
Yeah. Well, not last year, but
Yeah. Well, we're in for it this year. 2020, we're definitely gonna get hammered.
probably.
Yep. And if you guys are interested in any of these tires or any type of brand, anything, Josh can get you hooked up. Yeah, he'll help you out. He'll tell you what sizes you need. If you want to go bigger, if you want to go, you know, with a certain width, he'll tell you what will work with your truck. And if you want to get to a certain level, what you need to do to your truck to get to that level. But yeah, we got some plans for the suspension in the truck, but we're not going to go crazy this time. But it's definitely going to function well. And I've actually, on the original, well, Beast 2.0, the second Beast, we actually discussed it at one point, and I was test driving Josh's truck. Actually, Josh was driving me around in his truck.
Wow.
So, yeah, remember we were driving over railroad tracks and stuff, testing out your new suspension?
Yeah. Was that mine? That might have been a customer's.
No, I think 100% was your truck.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
I do remember doing that, but
So yeah,
it was my truck.
we'll be hooking that up with the same type of suspension that Josh has on his truck. It'll probably be mirrored. Whatever Josh puts on his truck, we'll probably do the same too. You're getting ready to upgrade your shocks.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for them to come off back order.
Yeah. They're not cheap either, guys.
No.
They're expensive, but they're nice. I'll let Josh test it out first though.
I'm pretty excited.
I can't wait to see these on the truck. As you can see, Josh has a lot of stuff in inventory right now too. This whole garage over here is just literally tires on tires and wheels. So he's got a lot of stuff. If you're in a rush and you need to get something, hit him up and see what he has in inventory if you need something like ASAP. But usually, Josh, what, a couple days? Like you can have stuff within like 2 days.
Right.
Yeah. Up to my eardrum now. Another fun time at Dirty Diesels. Thanks, Josh. I'm looking forward to more videos with Dirty Diesels and Josh. It felt like, it just felt natural again. It felt like I was back at home. Josh has the same alignment rack that you've seen in other videos at DZM. So Josh is well equipped to do alignments now. He's got one of the state-of-the-art alignment rack, and he could do up to 12 wides with no problem. We're thinking once he moves to another location, a bigger shop, he's going to be able to do 14 wides. But these big trucks and Jeeps and what have you, no issues doing alignments. So you get the whole package. You can get everything done, one-stop shop at Dirty Diesels now. But yeah, I'm happy with it. We do have a little bit of rub at full turn, but we're going to resolve that soon, and that's going to be in the next video on this truck most likely. If not, the video after that, we'll get that resolved, don't worry. The full turn, we had to do a little bit of trimming on the trim. I'll show you when I get home, when I show the missus. But these tires, the Toyos, they're not loud, they're not obnoxious driving on the highway, and I'm doing about 35 here on the back road. With the window down, you can't even really hear them. They handle very well. It handles just like stock. And wait till you see what we do to the suspension. It's gonna handle and feel just like stock. But yeah, nice and quiet. I'm liking the ride. Very happy. And the tires, I mean, you get a little bit of poke, but not too bad. I like the stance. Back home, I'm gonna show the wife for the first time in person But she said she's got something to show me, so God knows what it is. But just to go over the wheels one more time. 22 by 12s, which is a step up. I've never went over 20-inch wheels, so I like it. I like the lip with the 12-inch. It's a nice size lip. And this is where we had to do some trimming here. There was a little plastic piece that stuck out. We trimmed that off, and we're still, like you hear, at full turn. Well, you don't hear it, but you're not hearing it, but you can see we're still rubbing right there. But again, it's all gonna get resolved here soon. But I love it. I love the stance of this. No, I'm not gonna be putting fender flares on it. It's got, I mean, it's about equivalent to the Jeep's Poke. I did stop by and show Chase, because they haven't seen the truck yet, and we got some plans. Like I said in a previous video, we are going to be ceramic coating, paint correcting it, going over everything. We also talked about putting some protective film from here down, because he's offering that now. So I'm thinking I might do that, run that all the way from there, that body line, all the way to the back along the side of the truck, if it's not too much money. Yep. What are you bringing back to 60s? That's 70s. That's more 70s style, Heather.
No, but don't you like it?
No. What is wrong with you? She goes to the Goodwill today to get some Halloween stuff,
yes,
right? For Kylie, because Kylie needs overalls, bibbed overalls. And we didn't want to buy a brand new one because she's never going to wear it again. So this one always goes out. I think she brought a dress the one time, if you guys remember the Motorama video. She showed up and embarrassed me, and now look at her. What are you going to do with that?
I'm going to wear it to work.
Stop.
She said she was going to wear it to work.
She said that I should wear it St. Patrick's Day, and I said, I'll wear it Monday to work.
Actually, I don't think it's a bad Did you buy the earrings there too?
No, I didn't buy the earrings there. I had the earrings.
Oh my God. So what do you think? What do you think?
I like them.
It looks really good. It looks like, I was telling Josh, I said it looks like a bulldog. The truck, the way the stance is now.
Oh, I can see that.
No, just come look at it head on. Don't it look like a bulldog now? It's got that low, aggressive, like, bulldog look. I'm beyond happy with it. It looks really good.
Yes.
Gotta do some stuff to the suspension. As you can see, we didn't lift it today. You were a little worried about it when I left the house.
I'm not gonna lie, I was a little fearful.
But yeah, we're gonna do some stuff that will resolve. We got a little bit of rubbing at full turn. Nothing too crazy, just it's hitting the plastic.
Okay.
So you just gotta be careful. You don't want to be hitting any bumps at full turn. And take it slow for now. But we'll get it resolved very soon. I think it's gonna go to Chase and Karen when we go to Crawling for Canines. I think we're gonna drop it off Friday.
On our way up.
Before we go, we'll drop it off, and then we'll pick it up Sunday afternoon and give the coating, 24 hours to cure. And I'm going to leave him a camera. He's going to take over the vlog for that, because we're going to be videoing for Crawling for Canines.
Okay.
Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you're enjoying the Ram content. The diesel content is back, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. Turn on all those notifications. Make sure you check out allbeastprojects.com. That's us, that's me and Heather and our merch and our family. And there's additional information on there about us, discount codes and all that good stuff. Make sure you check out make sure you check out beastsynthetics.com. That's me. I'm an Amsoil dealer. When you purchase your Amsoil from me, it helps support the channel so we can continue to bring you guys awesome content. You can also get Amsoil from Dirty Diesels. He is a retailer through me. He keeps some of that stuff in stock. If you want something, just give him a call. I'll have it for you in like a day. Make sure you check out dirtydiesels.com.
Yeah.
We love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.